If you're wondering how to turn off Reels on Facebook, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to reduce Reels in your feed and make your Facebook experience feel a lot cleaner and less distracting. Now, it's important to know right away that Facebook does not currently let you completely disable Reels forever, but you can hide individual Reels, adjust your feed preferences, and reduce how often they show up. So if your goal is to see fewer Reels, this guide will help. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Facebook app or log in on your browser. Once you're on your home feed, start scrolling until you find a reel you want to remove from view. When you see a reel, tap the three dots in the corner of that reel. This opens the options menu for that post. From here, choose Hide. When you select Hide, Facebook will understand that you want to see fewer posts like that in the future. This is one of the quickest ways to reduce Reels without changing any account settings. Now, repeat this process on any other Reels that appear in your feed. The more Reels you hide, the more you help train Facebook's feed to show less of that content. Next, go to your feed preferences. On Facebook, this may be found through your settings or by opening the menu and looking for News Feed Preferences or Content Preferences. Once you're there, review the options that let you control what appears in your feed. You may be able to unfollow certain pages, snooze accounts, or tell Facebook to show you less of specific content. Even though there isn't a direct off switch for Reels, adjusting these preferences can make a big difference. If you keep seeing Reels from certain sources, hide those posts too, and avoid interacting with them. Facebook's algorithm tends to show more of the content you pause on, watch, or engage with, so simply scrolling past Reels faster can also help reduce how often they appear. If you're using Facebook on mobile, you can also check the app settings and make sure your preferences are updated there as well. Sometimes the layout changes depending on the version of the app, so if you don't see the exact option right away, look for Feed Settings, Content Preferences, or Privacy and Personalization options. The key thing to remember is that Facebook currently doesn't offer a full Reels disable button, so the best method is to hide Reels whenever you see them and adjust your newsfeed preferences to cut down on them as much as possible. That way, you're still taking control of your feed even without a full off setting. If this video helped, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.